In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung phone mobile data not working. A few conditions could warrant your Samsung phone mobile data not to work. However, if you are sure that you have enough data on your Samsung phone and the mobile data is not working, here are the quick fix you need to try to troubleshoot this on your Samsung phone. The first thing you want to do is to go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down and make sure you click on software update. Once you selected software update, click on download and install. And then this will help your Samsung phone to search for available updates. So if there's an available update for your Samsung phone and you fail to upgrade to this new update, this might affect your Samsung phone network. However, because the mobile data is not working, to do this, you need to connect to a Wi-Fi. So connecting to Wi-Fi will help you to check whether you have an update available for you or not, and what could be the reason why the mobile data network is not available or it's not working. Now, another thing you want to do is come to connection. On the connection page, you want to come to flight mode and make sure you turn off flight mode, turn off and turn on flight mode. Now once you've turned off and turn on the flight mode on your Samsung phone, scroll down and click on data usage. Under data usage, you want to make sure that mobile data is enabled. So if you disable access the internet through your mobile data, you will not be able to use mobile data on your Samsung phone, and the mobile data will not be able to work on your Samsung phone. That's another reason why mobile data is not working on your Samsung device. And another reason why your Samsung phone mobile data will not be work will be because you have a data cap. So if you set a data cap on your Samsung phone and you've exhausted the data cap, then your Samsung phone mobile internet will not work unless you extend the mobile data. So another reason why your Samsung phone mobile data is not working could be because you set a data limit. So if you set a data limit on your Samsung device, then once you exceed the limit, your Samsung phone will stop accessing the internet. To do this, just come to your Samsung phone settings, click on connection, just scroll down and make sure you click on data usage. Under that, just come down and click on billing cycle and data warning. Here, if you set a data limit here, you see I set a data limit of 5 gig. The moment you exhaust your 5 gig data limit, your Samsung phone will stop to access the internet, and this could lead to the mobile data not working on your device. So just make sure you check under billing cycles and data warning to see whether you've exhausted your data limit. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead now and turn this off. So once you turn off data limit, you should see that the Samsung phone mobile data is working again. However, if you must use set data limit to limit your data consumption on your Samsung phone, make sure you set data warning. See that? So if your data limit is set to 5 gig, then you can just set the data warning to 4 gig. So each time, whenever you get to 4 gig, you'll be notified that you have 1 gigabyte worth of data limit available, and then you know whether to upscale or to stop using your internet access instance. So these are the few steps you need to put to consideration when your Samsung phone mobile data is not working. And if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.